Welcome to the first Friday inside the month of March 2016. And this is not the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show. As it is hot, we tell you now say from 10 to 11 every weekday na Christmas, sake of say all the action to where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them, open them, discuss them, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk them the way anything be you for body. Friday the day very special because as soon as possible we go throw our phone lines open, make you feel chook mouth for inside all of the Ogbonge tori when we discuss this week. We also they carry small chops come based on current affairs situation when they happen inside the Nigeria. My name na Ezo Go Chokwode, and as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu where I stay concerned politics matter as it is hot.
A beautiful Friday morning to our beautiful viewers where they watch us right now. Today is the last 10 day of our program for this week. As it is hot, that Ogbonge political program where they at least giving up-to-date information about waiting they happen for Nigeria. Today will not go different because what they do normally do now the ASEPO edition. What I mean the ASEPO edition, we will give now all the discussion, all the matter we will talk about from Monday reach yesterday will be Thursday. So at least for our viewers where they watch us, we know at least we know catch up with any. Now if we contribute when that time reach for now to contribute. My name never change. My name now Nkubi and this now as it is hot.
As usual, as we do them every Monday, we carry the tear rubber stories from the weekend. Drop and can't tear the nylon on top, make you for chook mouth inside. And we begin with the story of Fulani headsmen versus farmers. Especially as it get to do with Agatu local government area for inside Benue State. For some time now, the farmers that they complain say the headsmen, their cattle, they enter inside their farm, they destroy their property. As it can't reach that time, the thing can't reach boiling point where we say fight can't happen inside that local government area. But the Benue State governor, Oga Samuel Otom, talk say then they on top of the situation and Nigerians don't call for lasting peace. Make them find permanent solution to this particular problem. Make we not continue to they go back to this issue when they cause problem inside our country. We also look the agreement between Nigeria and the Republic of Qatar when our Oga Presido, based on the travel, when he talks in the travel, to use solidify our relationship with different countries, they enter into agreement. And people believe, say, the agreement with Qatar, just like the one when Oga Presido don't do, say he go improve the condition of people when they live inside the Nigeria and solidify our relationship with other people. We're not going to forget criticism when don't trail the travel of Oga Presido. Some people talk, say, he just be like, say, when he's small, he no go holiday. Now he make him just they hop up. They travel around the different parts of this country. But people don't talk, say, make we see the results first before we begin to criticize Oga Presido. We also discuss one very important issue about how our senators, they spend plenty money to buy motor for themselves. People don't come out and talk, say, information when they come out from the company where we say that their business to supply the motor, now say the motor don't land and say they don't collect them. But the senators, when they follow talk, they talk, say, if it be say it don't land, they don't know. They don't know that particular story. But Nigerians still they watch to see whether, even though we don't complain our country they hard, they go ahead with this kind spending when Nigerians don't complain against. To come top them up, we carry two stories. The first one we get to do with the fact say ghost workers, people when we say they know they work, but then they collect salary. Say our government don't plug the way when we say that they make money from government and we don't they save money running into billions of naira. And they come they talk say make it not just be say we they save this money, make we they see the result of this save when they save, so that Nigerians go to say yes, as government they save money, then they spend them and the condition of Nigerians they improve. We can't round them off with the story when do with the Nigerian army. Say our soldier people that they try well they enter inside one area where we say Boko Haram Jagula people they dislodge them. But some people come talk say they see Boko Haram Jagula people with generating set, solar panel. Who be the people when they sponsor this one? They say make the fight pass just say mission and bomb. Make it enter inside intelligence so that those when they give them money to sponsor them, we go cut off their supplies and no say for once we will get peace inside Obodo Nigeria.
And from there we can enter straight to Tuesday where we carry this issue of responsibility and accountability coming out the month. And we can name we basically we look and say Abamoro goes to Koje. This one get to do with the recruitment, that is the immigration recruitment and tragedy way happened under the administration of Oga Jonah. Either last 2 years, I believe last 2 years that thing happened. I mean last year, where that thing happened, where about 20 people died in the course of the recruitment. And people now the recently we say yes, I say they don't carry Oga Abamoro, will be the Minister of Interior as at then, and he right now say in the Kuje prison where in they do it, where they mark register on top of that particular matter. People wake up that same day, look at from different angles, say look, say we don't hear for him for the For the recruitment to even they so flawed to the point where they say they call even they demand money from people. Say make they pay 1,000 and I tell you, say look, say hey, somehow our government they fit give account they know if you give a proper account on how they take rule us. Just like say once they give the responsibility, they go do them anyhow they want. In the end, any way they feel say the people feel do make them do. But in this case, as this matter don't come play out, make they see as this thing will take place. Make also do it in further hand. They see where this matter will lead us to. Whether you at least open doors for us to be able to address issues of accountability the way we're supposed to address them.
The issue of S.A. Oruru, the 14-year-old girl, when we say on the 12th of August 2015, everything for the girl life changed dramatically as one Yunusa Dahiru, when they call Yellow, carry the girl enter inside Kano. Or people will come and talk, say, abduction, kidnap. Now, when you carry person without the person consent, other people don't come and talk, say, now Romeo and Juliet situation, that is to say, it be like, say, the girl love the guy, now make him follow. But our laws, according to the Child Rights Act, people will never reach 18 years old, that is the legal age to become adult. He get decisions when we say you know if he take, and now only the things when we say in parents tell and say make he do, now he must do. But the complex nature of that situation, I don't make Nigerians they ask questions, say why he be say the parents lay complaint to our police people, say they know say their daughter there for Kano, even though some people talk say he there for the palace of the emir, say what thing they go do about them, but it can't be like say our police people that they drag their foot, even though constitution give them the power to do what they're supposed to do. The update for this particular story now say the young girl don't reunite with her mama and her papa them, and she don't even go further, go meet the governor of Bayelsa State. Police people don't come and tell us say the Yunus are there for their custody, even though some people talk say now only one picture of Yunusa they don't see. We don't know whether they hide the identity to protect his personality, or the police know how they go about them. But Nigerians will continue to speak up for this question because the children, especially girls, them inside of Nigeria, they don't face plenty situations them. Who go save the girl child picking? Now the question we will ask on Wednesday, and we go still ask that question until we get society when we say we go feel sleep with our eyes closed, knowing say our children, especially the girl picking, they're very safe.
And yesterday we thought that we can't carry the matter, enter straight to security matter. I will come get one of Bonga guys, so be security expert, Oga Franco or Yorigo. We can't look into the issue of security, when how security take relate with us from the angle of say okay, waiting with the role of the people when it comes to at least ensuring say at least you did secure there. We can't bring up from different angle according to Oga Franco. Say look, waiting they cause all these big say things they happen now because of say we never forget what they call communal responsibility, communal security. It say somebody like me they watch your back, Chukwu they watch my back, we they watch our people, everybody back. At least all these matters say things they happen, no good they happen. And also say on the part of the government, say the government go also into do it, put certain things in place so that at least you go fit encourage the issue of security. So that at least if something happen, we go know say yes, see where they track this thing go, see where and where we go take follow this thing to be able to find the result. At least say people self on their own part, no go even say you get the country where you go on do. Once you don't check out the how tight the security, they fear no go let you do anything. Put head inside them. Now what we talk about yesterday with Ogonga guys Frank or Yorigo be this on security matter.
From Monday go reach Thursday, we don't drop all our important tori there. But remember, say on Friday, we carry what we call small chops based on current affairs. As we do the jollof or the Asaro edition, we will carry the current affairs enter, and we get some kind new gist when we say go interest plenty Nigerians. Update on top of the case of Oga Abamoro, former Minister for Interior, when we say that he preside over the ministry, the time when they organize that recruitment, when cause about 20 people to lose their lives. They carry and go court, even though they don't carry and go court back to back, and courts don't give them bail. They talk say on self-recognition, they don't tell us say making go house, but they don't give them dates, say April 27th, making still come back to go answer some kind of questions. The other people, they give them for some kind of stringent bail conditions, and people they watch whether they go with me the 100 million naira and the other conditions when they attach to the bail when we say then give them. Another update we get to do with the story when we discuss this week, like I break earlier, now about the case of S.A. say she don't reconnect with her mama and papa, and she don't even meet the governor. And police people don't assure say Oga Yunus are there their custody, and they go do everything to use ensure say this particular case will not go see him again. 3 quick stories where we will just drop back to back as per small chops. We will continue to discuss all the stories when we carry come today. The first one get to do with the information when we say the Central Bank of Nigeria come out, can't give. And the thing they're very shocking. They talk say about 20 billion US dollars. They inside some kind of account that is it just rest cross-leg inside some account inside this our country and say na few customers na im get am and say those people and some of the action wey dem dey do na im dey make our naira dey fall anyhow like wetin no get strong leg against the dollar. Plenty people don come and come talk say if no be say some people wey dey inside bank and inside government dey support this particular thing, how a few people as dem dey put am go get $20 billion which kind work dem dey work when we say dem go get that kind money come put am for domiciliary account say just dey there dey swell. Exactly wetin dem do to use get that particular money and dem don talk say make government do more than just dey come out dey tell us say this kind thing dey happen. If dem dey carry action and we dey see reaction, we go know say no be only song dem dey carry their mouth sing. Another one wey go make some people shock na the case wey be say for Imo State, dem talk say the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission don come out come announce say e get one strong man wey be friend of Governor Rochas Okorocha. In fact, im dey the government of Governor Rochas Okorocha of Imo State, say im hand follow somehow to give approval to carry 2 billion naira wey be say na bail out money enter inside some kind private hands. Make everybody no forget say last year after the new government of President Muhammadu Buhari enter, many of our governors dem waka through the corridors of power front and back. He can't call them say wetin happen. They come to say it's like we no fit pay our people. He can't carry money give them. So okay, make una go pay and make una make sure say una put certain things in place so that we're not going to come back again. Come they ask for money. Since that time till now, it be like say that money the thing just go down. Nobody know as they take spend down. But this one when we say the EFCC don't carry, don't show say indeed we get government when we say there be no nonsense. Whether you be APC, PDP or whichever party, if you put your hand for inside bad thing, you go answer that particular question. Who could be the My 12 case?
Yes, the My 12 case. We according to the story over here, the blast now like Agota will describe as a tribal conflict will happen between some marketers. I mean people they sell a market for My 12, and then this particular matter can lead to casualties. When I mean casualties, and from the footages and pictures we will see, don't be waiting person feed they do it in feed they this feed say in one look because we see cases of people where they are born where they kill for street and all that. But the thing we say we not say yes. The commissioner where they in charge don't do it in, don't step into the matter, and we ensure so at least we hope say at least right now say they go down they find way to do it in to resolve that crisis so that you know go escalate past the level where it reach now so that make you know can they get the issue of say I come from this ethnic group, this person come from this ethnic group, why you go take my space, why you go they dominate market and all that. At least make we find a balanced ground on how we go take resolve matter so that this issue of say people they fight and say they kill themselves over waiting no day no go continue. But maybe just we will follow up on that one to know how far the story they go.
Very, very true. Hopefully, as the governor of Lagos State don't come out, come talk say make them suspend activities for inside the My 12 market and also impose curfew for 4 streets when they that area Oninyori, Maidon and Agility 1 and Agility 2. We hope say normalcy go return for that particular area. But it go very, very important. Make we point them out say Nigeria and a country wey belong to all of us. Fine, we come from different ethnic backgrounds. That is Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Calabar, Nupe, Efik, Ishekiri. Whichever ethnic background where you come from, all of us are Nigerians. And so long as our constitution protects them, people they live within anywhere when they want inside this country, they get the right to live like that. It go good make we live together in peace because the unity when we get for this our country now based on say we plenty and we go join our hands together. So we go talk say as we don't get one kind temporary solution to the problem, say okay, oh, nobody go market. This particular 4 streets, everybody go just maintain. They no go they work anyhow for that street. Make we find permanent solution to this problem, and one of the ways to find permanent solution to this problem now to ensure say we attend to this particular issue from the scratch so that we go find lasting solution to this particular problem. Because the issues of say Hausa person they fight Yoruba person or Yoruba person they fight Hausa person now because of say sometimes we go just look and say okay, oh, now like this we go address this particular issue.
Exactly.
But if we look say okay, what did they cause this particular problem? We they live together, but people they even if you get issue, we not go fit settle and the way we not go fit settle and we not go to get
kind of issue. No be today don't start. Like some couple of years back, we also hear a similar case of this kind where we see them fight, they even kill themselves over waiting. Say this tribe and this tribe they fight. At least just as Chukwu talk, if we find the root problem, address the matter from the root cause. At least we will not say yes. Say in the future, say at least everybody go feed you waiting. Sit down for the same place, chop from the same place, sell market the way it's supposed to sell. Mind your own business, and in the end, at least if they do like this, at least things go they go forward. Not before us to just they carry one person for mind, or they claim say this is that is it. You have this is my brother, that is my brother. For we go feel cost begin for our society. We don't want all that one. So just the root problem. Now make we address.
Very, very true. And as our governor don't talk and say, make nobody give this particular issue ethnic coloration. That is, make nobody come and talk say, now these people now they win. Now this one say the thing now 1-0 or now 2-1. Make nobody give them any ethnic coloration. That is to say, we go address these issues as Nigerians and we go solve them once and for all. And this one are very, very important reminder to all of us inside Obodo Nigeria. Say sometimes if certain things they happen for different parts of the country, not before us to talk say now only this part if it happen,
affect,
you know if it happen for here. This thing if it happen for anywhere. So you go good make we do our best to ensure say we put certain things in place so we go make sure say our society dey very, very peaceful. Even if two people get disagreement, just like for primary school, if two pikin them they fight, they go report to teacher. If disagreement dey, we get elders for our community, we get certain instruments when we say we supposed to be check say okay, see how so thing dey happen. According to the story when them bring or the one when they very, very popular, they talk say person when they drive motorcycle, e dey pass one way, e can't jam pregnant woman. They tell am say make he treat am. He be like say he drag, he run because people plenty think say they won't beat am. They can't go carry the union people say make them do am. As they come they waste time. Hoodlums, Agbero people can't take advantage of that particular situation. Can't they wreak havoc for the society. So it go good if all the people when we say at the end they in charge of doing certain things, they do what they're supposed to do at the right time. We don't go get this kind of situation for our hand. But as this one don't happen, now to learn from am and ensure say this particular thing will happen for Lagos, it no go happen for different parts of Nigeria because we need to place value on the human life. If one Nigerian lose his life, now something when we say he's supposed to pay us. The pictures not be waiting and they show person. The video not be waiting person they see. If we really love ourselves as one people for this Nigeria, not be just lip service, then I be say we could do more for inside this our country.
Exactly, doing more for this our society and our country. That be the major thing. Chukudi, we don't dwell more on that one. So make we do it. Make we enter into other stories where we also this way we talk about. Make I bring them back to the issue of Oga Abamoro, where we say right now, just say court don't they give their own conditions. So okay, say they're going to need to meet a certain deal. Okay, I know say people's reaction towards this one will differ on the issue of say okay, person commit a particular crime. When we supposed to say okay, make we follow the process of saying okay, take this person to court. Make we try him out. Make we know whether they guilty of this offense or not. Rather than to say okay, every time we bring a particular case, the next phase of this case we go see and say okay, bailout, and the bailout matter still an overwhelming bailout. Just like say the person they buy off in freedom. You understand what I try to talk? Just like say the person they buy of the front. If in the end they meet up with this bailout money and they can't go, how it is say this thing will take continue? Shey it is say we'll still revisit this issue. Abu will just say okay, this issue it don't end. Make we forget about them. Now everything. We get a caller right now. We get Alozie. Alozie they call us from Enugu. Good morning, Oga Alozie.
Good morning, Mr. Nkwobi, and good morning, Mr. Chukwu.
We greet you, Oga Alozie.
How are you doing?
We dey fine.
The thing why they talk for the Rogers issue will be we carry $2 billion or $3 billion, something of that nature. I think Nigeria don't get corrupt now. They say corruption, they stop corruption. Now they don't see and say now APC people they don't intrude on this corruption again. They carry money here and there. Okorocha will be campaign where they campaign for Buhari say corruption, they will stop corruption. Now they say don't carry money, what you won't carry and do. And some billions of dollars, not the say from
Naira.
Billions of dollars, something of that nature.
Now billions Naira.
Billions of Naira. Now coming to SS phone or something of that nature. SS phone, I think sometimes 2 days ago, wow.
Alozie, they hear you continue.
Oga Alozie, you see that there? Be like say the network no gree Oga Alozie making an important contribution. But from waiting Oga Alozie don't talk, they very, very clear. Say he support the fight against corruption inside Obodo Nigeria, irrespective of party affiliation. And it go good make we look this particular issue because whether we like them or not, this particular cases go they come back, they come they hunt us because it be like say anytime when issue they pay us, now we they face them. But when it don't go be that. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue this particular discussion as per all of the stories when we discuss this week. Don't go anywhere. Now Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. We they come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.